In this video we will explore the possibility of using the Parabolic SAR indicator to achieve high trading results. We have back-tested it extensively and we are excited to share with you what is the recommended way to use this indicator. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to the Meta Exchange. In today's video, we will be sharing with you how we trade using the Parabolic SAR indicator, and we will also share with you some methods that you can use to improve and optimize this strategy. We have grouped the content into 5 informative sections for you. In the first section we will be sharing with you our strategy using the Parabolic SAR indicator. We will go through the buy and sell signal. Next, we will go through some examples on the Forex, stock and crypto market. In the third section, we will backtest this strategy throughout 2021 and share with you our observations from using this strategy. In the fourth section, we will further improve this strategy by introducing entry filters. Last but not least, in the fifth section, we will show you the results from the improved version and how it performed 10 times better than the normal strategy. Stay tuned to find the best settings. We will be sharing profitable strategies and best settings on our YouTube videos. Remember to click the subscribe button and notification icon so that you will not miss out on it. First, let us share with you our strategy using the Parabolic SAR indicator. The Parabolic SAR is used to determine the direction of the trend. On a chart, the indicator appears as a series of dots placed either above or below the price bars. A dot below the price is deemed to be a bullish signal. Conversely, a dot above the price is used to illustrate that the bears are in control and that the momentum is likely to remain downward. When the dots flip, it indicates that a potential change in price direction is underway. Our strategy is easy to follow. Let's start with the buy trade entry. First, the price needs to be above the 200 exponential moving average to signify an uptrend. Second, we will wait for the Parabolic SAR indicator to be above the candles. Third, we will wait for the Parabolic SAR indicator to create a dot below the price candle. Once this happens, we will enter at the candle close. We will set our stop loss at the dot and use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, this trade turns out to be a winner. Now let us go through the sell trade entry. First, the price needs to be below the 200 exponential moving average to signify a downtrend. Second, we will wait for the Parabolic SAR indicator to be below the candles. Third, we will wait for the Parabolic SAR indicator to create a dot above the price candle. Once this happens, we will enter at the candle close. We will set our stop loss at the dot and use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. From the chart, you can see that this trade is a winner. Now that you are familiar with our buy and sell entry, let us proceed to the next chapter, where we will show the buy and sell example using the Forex market. Our first example is a Forex pair. We have the AUDUSD pair. The price is above the 200 exponential moving average. So we are looking for a buy signal. As you can see, the Parabolic SAR dot is above the price. We will need to wait for the dot to appear at the bottom of the candle to make this a valid entry. Once the SAR value appears below the candle, we will then enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. We use the Parabolic SAR value as our stop loss. We will set a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. We let the trade run for a while, and it turns out to be a winner. Moving on to the next example, we will show you how this strategy is used on crypto. Over here we have the ETHUSD pair, same as before, the price is above the 200 exponential moving average. So we are looking for a buy signal. Next, we notice that the Parabolic SAR value is above the price. We will just wait for the chart to show a valid buy signal with the Parabolic SAR appearing below the price. Once this happens, we will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. Using the Parabolic SAR as our stop loss, we will set a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. We let the trade runs for a while, and we can see that it also turns out to be a winner. For the third example, we will use back a Forex pair. Over here we have the GBPUSD pair. First we notice that the price is below the 200 exponential moving average. Next, we notice that the Parabolic SAR value is below the price. We will need to wait for it to appear above the candle for a valid sell signal. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. Using the Parabolic SAR as our stop loss, we will set a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This trade eventually turns out to be a winner. Last but not least, we have also included a stock market example. Over here we have Nvidia. Same as before, we can see that the price is below the 200 exponential moving average. So we are looking for a sell signal. We noticed that the parabolic SAR value is below the price. We will need to wait for the dot to appear above the candle for a valid sell signal. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. Using the parabolic SAR as our stop loss, we will set a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This trade also turns out to be a winner. By now you should be very familiar with our strategy. We have showed you how to use this strategy on Forex, stock market and crypto. Let us proceed with the backtest. In this section, we will backtest this strategy on the EURUSD using the tick data from the whole of 2021. We have adapted our backtest settings to include the 3 different trader profiles. These are the scalpers, day traders and swing traders. The time frame for the backtest would be between 5 minutes to 4 hours. We would also test different stop loss levels, ranging from 10 pips to 50 pips with a 10 pips increment. Our risk to reward ratio will be ranging from 1 to 3 with an increment of 0.5. We will be risking 2% of the account for each trade. We have coded an expert advisor to help us automate the backtest. Let us begin. After running for a while, we have collected a total of 125 different settings. Among the 125 different settings, the setting that gave the best result was this. It only had a $445 profit throughout the year of 2021, with a total of 56 trades and win rate of 42%. Are you impressed by the results? We are not. Let's proceed to the next section and see how we can modify the trade entry to achieve better results. In this section we will share with you how we improve the strategy. We have went through all the trade entries, and we noticed that some of their entries can be improved. There are 2 main entries that we would like to introduce. First, we noticed that some of the signals are not in confluence with the candles. What does this mean? For example, a buy signal should have a preceding bull candle to show that it is in confluence and might be a start of an uptrend. Similarly, for a sell signal, there should be some sighting of bear candles to show that the candles are in confluence with the signals. Next, we want our buy and sell signals to be in confluence with the strength of the trend. Therefore, we have added the average directional index, ADX, to help us determine the strength of the trend. We will only consider to enter a trade when the ADX value is above 25. In summary, we have included these 2 new entry rules into our requirement. For the first rule, we will check if the candlesticks are in confluence with the signals. For a buy signal, we will check that the previous 2 candles are bull candles. Similarly, for a sell signal, we will check that the previous 2 candles are bear candles. We want to trade in a trending market, so for the second rule, we will use the ADX value to help us identify a trending market. We will only enter a trade when the ADX value is above 25. Let's include these 2 new entry rules into our backtest and see if it will give us a better result. While our expert advisor is running, if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. Please also comment down below if there are any backtesting settings that you would like us to include. Now let us move on to the most important question of the video. Can we use Parabolic SAR Indicator to make a profitable trading strategy? The answer is yes. Over here we have our best settings for the Parabolic SAR trading strategy in 2021. We backtested EURUSD using the tick data from 2021 Jan to 2022 Jan. We started with an account of $10,000 and risked 2% of the account for each trade. The best time frame to use this strategy is the 1-hour time frame. The maximum stop loss level is kept at 50 pips, and the risk to reward is at 1:2.5. This would mean that the take profit will be at 125 pips. Looking at the equity chart, we can see that the balance is going higher and higher, even though there were some losses. The winners are able to push the balance higher. There were a total of 52 trades executed in 2021. The equity drawdown is at 18.30%, which met our requirement of less than 20%. The number of consecutive win is 2 and the number of consecutive loss is 3. Overall, there is a 44% increase in account balance using this strategy. As mentioned at the start of the video, we have increased the profit from 4% to 44%. This is 10 times better than the original strategy. We hope this information helps. Do you like the way we organize the results? Please feel free to comment down below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve. Or you can also comment down below to encourage us to produce more videos. And there you have it. In this video, we have shared with you how to use the Parabolic SAR Indicator. In the second section, we have provided some buy and sell examples on the Forex, crypto and stock market for your understanding. In the third section, we have shared with you how we backtest this strategy and our observation using this strategy. In the fourth section, we have shared with you the improvements made to filter the trade entries. Last but not least, in the last section, we have shared with you the best results from the improved version of the strategy. We hope this video can give you some ideas on how to use the Parabolic SAR Indicator. All we like to ask for is for you to kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm and motivate us to create more winning strategy videos. We are also excited to run the Expert Advisor on all 28 Forex currency pairs with more timeframes and other risk-to-reward ratio permutation. We would like to hear your suggestions on how to improve our strategy. Please feel free to comment down below and share with us your thoughts. If you have a trading strategy that you would like us to backtest or to create an expert advisor from it, please email us at themetaexchange@gmail.com. Last but not least, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The Meta Exchange, signing off.